Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Software Planet. Today we are discussing about the LVM partitions. So how to performing LVM configuration. Now let's see. Let's start. And first we need to open VMware Workstation and choose your virtual machine as yesterday created. So this is virtual machine. Just power on this virtual machine. Once we need to check the process or memory. So 4 GB, it's okay, it's enough for me. Yeah, now we need to log in for root user. We are able to saw this not listed. Click on not list and give the username as a root and next and give the password here. What you mentioned in yesterday that root use password, just give it here. So now the window will be open and here the empty place you need to click on right click and choose the open terminal option. So now you're able to log in to root user. So this is a root user. So how will you check means just who am I command. So this is root. If you maybe you are staying in normal user, it will be show like your name. So that is normal user. Okay, now which files are available. Okay, all those. First we need to check the disk space by using lsblk command. So now here one disk is available SDA. This is totally allocated 20 GB. Now in this 20 GB also SDA one partition will be divided. In this partition we are sending 1 GB for the slash bootable file format and second partition is SDA2. In this SDA2 how much? Totally 19 GB. In this 19 GB we are dividing two file systems. One is the root and one is the swap. So in this root we are assigning 17 GB and swap we are assigning 2 GB. So I need additional partition. So here there is no space. We need to take another disk. So how to take? Just go through the settings, virtual machine settings, and in here you are able to saw hard disk. Okay, in this click on hard disk option and choose the below in add option. Click on it and we need to add the hard disk and click on the hard disk. Click the next. Here it is showing SATA and CC. So we need to recommend CC only. It's a normal thing. And click on it. Create a new virtual disk and use an existing virtual machine. So I need new virtual disk. So click on create a new virtual disk and click the next. Here we need to choose the size, how much size you need. Just click on here. So I need 20 enough, so that's why I kept it this 20 and split virtual disk into multiple files. So in this disk we need to use multiple files, so the purpose I choose in third option. Just and click on next and click the finish. So the disk will be added in the new hard disk. Just click on OK. Here just use the lsblk command again. So here the disk is created but here not able to saw. So we are unable to sum in. So first we need to scan the disk by using echo command. What's the command? Echo space code hyphen double quote slash sys slash class slash cc underscore host slash host 0 slash scan. So echo space double quote hyphen double quote close and slashes slash class slash cc underscore host and host 0 hyphen. In before we need to give the double underscore. Okay, so this is the command we need to run. Just enter. Now we need to check lsblk. Again it is not coming, so we need to run host 1 and again we need to run host 2. Now we need to check. So see, now we are able to see the the disk. This is sdb. So already sda is available, so that's why it is created sdb. If you want create it next time another disk, it will be showing sdc. So this is we are taking new disk. In this new disk we need to divide the partitions like this: sda1 sda2. In sda in inside we creating two partitions. Like that we need to create by using lvm concept. Okay, so we are already scan the disk, so now we are able to saw. And now first, one second guys. So how to check the disk means we have three commands. That is, first I given lsblk. This is one command. And fdisk also one more command. Fdisk ifn l. This is also one command. And finally is say it's also one more command. Sorry. So mostly we have performing these two, fdisk -l and lsblk. Okay, so now after taking the disk, and now we can create the pv means is a physical value. So by using pvcreate command, so now pvcreate space slash dev slash sdb. So which disk you need to give the partitions means. So recently which drive sdb. So already sda is done, so now sdb, this is my partition drive. Okay, now so give the sdb and enter. So physical value slash dev slash sdb successfully created. Once it will be created, then we can create the value group by using vgcreate command. So vgcreate space and vgname. So vgname we can give, sorry, vgname only. In this vgname you can mention any name. Okay, so vgname space which drive slash dev slash sdb key we need to give in. Okay, and enter. So vg also created successfully. Now what's the final? We can create the lv. So lv means logical value by using lvcreate command. So lvcreate space and I find l, length of how much size you need. So actually how much in this disk space? 20 GB. In this 20 GB I need 5 GB. Okay, so plus 5 GB. I find n means new, and lv name and vg name. What is the lv name we need to give? So for suppose lv name only we need to give, and space, what is the vg name? Here we created now vg, so this is only vg name, so vg name and enter. So logical value also created. Now in this partition we need to convert a file system by using xfs, ext4, whatever. So in this xfs and ext4, what is the difference means? So in this xfs we can't reduce the size. We can increase size, but we can't decrease the size. But in ext4 we can reduce the size, and at that time we can increase the size also. So that is some file system some are there. It's like ext4, ext3 and xfs. This type of file systems in Red Hat Linux available. Okay, so first we need to convert file system by using mkfs command. mkfs dot which format? xfs format. xfs space that path /dev slash vgname and lvname. What is the vgname? Vgname space lvname. Enter. Now the conversion file system also done. So then what is the next? To mount the source destination by using mount command. So first we need to mount purpose. We need one drive, directory. So first we need to create a directory by using mkdir space slash drive, and we can give any name like test. So now created in this directory we need to mount to the source destination. So mount space /dev sdb slash, what is the directory name? Test, and give the enter. Sorry, here we need to give the space. So unknown file system type. Okay, here sdb is our name, and test is the test. We can't find the /dev/test in the std. Okay, so in this case we need to give the permanent mount. So how will you give the permanent mount? Means by using fstab fields. We need to enter the fields in fstab. vm space /etc/fstab. Go here, and here we need give entry. Go to end and click the enter. Insert mode. Press I and give me the enter. Here /dev slash vgname slash lvname and space the directory name what we created /test, and which format? xfs format, default space 0 space 0. And so actually this is our file system name. and this is a directory name. This is file type. This is default, and this is 0 is backup purpose, and this 0 is system check. Okay, so we have how many fields are there in fstub means 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 fields, and first one is directory path, I mean file system, and second is directory, third one is file type, and third one is default, and fifth one is backup, sixth one is system check. We need to explain in when the interview will be asking. Okay, wq enter. So now we need to check is there any mistakes or by using mount command, mount hyphen a. So there is no errors. If any errors will be did, it will be show error here. Okay, so for suppose example, I will be show you how, type of errors will come. Suppose here I will be deleted slash. Okay, now I will be save and exited. Now we need to give the mount. See here the mount will be getting error where specially device slash dev slash vgname slash lvname does not exist. So this type of path it's not available, it is showing. That's why we give the correct names here. And how will we check the errors? Mount space hyphen a. There is no error. Now we need to check lsblk. See, in this hdb we are created vg value and lvm. How much? 5 GB. Totally 20 GB. In this 5 GB will be allocated in this partition. What is the partition name? Source name test. Okay, this is lvm partitions we are created. So how to check the lv space, pv space and vg space means lvs, it will show the lvm space. So totally first we need to starting stage. Okay, pvs first, then vgs, then lvs. See, first we have how much hdb 20 GB we have. In this free is 15 because we are already used this vg purpose 5. I mean one lv partition we are created the 5 GB, so that purpose it is showing 15 will be free. So once this PV will be created, it will go for the VG. In this VG also 20 GB totally. In this 20 GB, 15 GB will be available. Okay. So in this 15 GB available. So here we need to check LV how much 5 GB. Swap is 2 GB and root is 17 GB. So this is guys how to create the LVM partitions today topic. So if you have any more queries, please comment in below. I will be give the response to the. This is very help to my explanation. And if you need any topics, just ping me in comment. I will be explain the topics also. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and like and share and subscribe. Bye friends.